let's open an art museum and let's add custom paintings to Minecraft. Alright, we find ourselves back in IntelliJ once more, and in this tutorial we're going to be adding custom paintings to Minecraft. Now, at first glance, this might be very complicated, however, it actually is very easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a new custom package, actually just in our tutorial mod package. So tutorial mod, new package for paintings. Now, genuinely, you could also just put this under util. You could put this in a lot of places. We're just going to put it under paintings. It's going to be fine. And inside of there, we're going to make a new class called the ModPaintings class. Now, this class will look eerily similar to a lot of classes that we've seen before. It's going to have a public static final, a deferred register of type painting type, or painting underscore types, and that is equal to a deferred register dot create for registries dot painting types, and then of course tutorial mod dot mod id. Now, where there is a deferred register, we usually have a public static void register method with an event bus called event bus, and then we're going to call the painting types dot register with the event bus right here. Then of course, very important here, into our tutorial mod class, and then call the mod paintings dot register with the event bus. And now we can add the individual paintings, so public static final registry object of type painting type. Let's call it sunset, because that's the name of the painting, which is equal to painting types dot register, the name sunset, and then a new supplier of new painting type. And here we have to supply the width and the height, as you can see. So the width of this painting is 32 and the height is 16. So that's pretty much it. Now the question is, okay, but where do the paintings go? Well, they go to your assets folder, your mod ID, the textures folder, and then inside of your textures folder, right click new directory called painting. Very important that this is written correctly, painting. And then it just goes in there, and it has the same name. I'm just going to copy this over. This is, of course, available to you in the description below for download or in the GitHub repository as well. And the code is, of course, also available. This name here, of course, has to match the name of the PNG here. And just to absolutely blow your mind, I'm just going to add another one, because why not? This is the plant. Not 100% sure why it's called plant, but there you go. Those textures or the paintings have been provided to me by PlatinumG17. Link, of course, also in the description below. Thank you very much for providing those pictures or those paintings. And that's pretty much it. This was literally me adding a second one. We just changed the size here. And the name, once again, of course, has to match with the name there. Just to make sure, width and the height is, of course, given in pixels in this case, because this basically determines what the size of the painting is. But after all of this has been added, let's see if it works. All right, we find ourselves back in Minecraft, and I've prepared a wall, and let's just set down the painting here. So basically there it is. So there is the first painting, and let's just see if I can get the other one as well. I'm sure that we'll get it at some point. Nope, still not there. I'm confident here. We're gonna get this. It's gonna come up at some point. It is only 6. There it is. Finally, let's go. There it is. So that's pretty much how easy it is to add custom paintings to Minecraft. And if they look this beautiful, I mean, you can actually make a museum. Right, but that would already be it for this tutorial right here. I hope you found this useful and you learned something new. If you did, I would very much appreciate a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. So, yeah.